Hi, I'm Monique Hom of Real Estate Investor Goddesses, and I've just come back I've just had this incredible day at the Ignite event. I go to a lot of real estate conferences, and nothing compares to what I just had today. As a woman, it is amazing to be in this room with other incredible women doing real estate. I could not recommend this highly enough. I took away so much practical information as well as inspiration. I am fired up, ready to do more, and I've just connected with so many amazing women, and I can't wait to connect with them further. If you are starting out in real estate, you are a woman, you need to come to WREN events. Come to a place where the women are doing the deal. They're generous, they're supportive, and they're inspiring. I can't recommend this more highly. You need to be here.